Alright, hey, good morning, Marty. This is Brad with Booz Allen Hamilton. I've got a technical question for you. Figured making a video would be a whole lot easier than trying to describe this over the phone. So, what we've got here in our lab is our typical system that we've been building off of you guys' hardware. We have a planar 2x6 video wall, and right now on it I've got a Blu-ray DVD playing. The output from a source, which is my laptop, and then an output source, which is a HD cable TV tuner. Over here in our mock-up rack, we have the VX160, of course. The Denon Blu-ray player and the cable TV tuner are being routed through these Q4300s. Down here, our planar wall is also being routed through these Q4300s. And over here, we have our test bench. The problem that I'm having is with these scaling receivers that we just got in for the system. In testing, we're having some unusual results. I've checked the firmware, and it is the latest version of the firmware. What's happening is, Jimmy, can you go ahead and route my laptop, source 2, to this display? So what's going to happen is when the laptop comes up, it's going to behave normally, I think. There we go. It's thinking. Scalar's thinking. Takes a really long time for these things to sync up. Okay, so we have a 1920 by 1080 input source, and of course the native resolution display is also the same, so it's not really scaling anything, but I'm getting the proper image, of course. Maintaining aspect ratio, all that good stuff. Same thing as what I have over here on the wall. Now, Jimmy, can you route source 3, please? When the cable TV tuner comes up, when it decides to come up, you're going to notice that it is not maintaining aspect ratio. It's doing some interesting scaling stuff. Very unusual scaling stuff. And when I go over here and I check what the actual video information is, it's a little bit weird. Getting some strange numbers going on here. Again, checking the output, I do have maintain aspect ratio checked. I'm using the preferred timings, all that good stuff. And I'm getting this strange image, which is not the image that we're getting over here. Secondly, the next issue that we're having is, can you route source 1, please? Now, this is happening. Which, of course, is nothing. Not getting any image from the Blu-ray player through this device. The screen just turned itself off because it doesn't see a signal. But the same exact source is being routed through the Q4300s and is playing right now on the video wall. So those are the two issues that we're having. Again, the information I can give you is that the firmware is up to date. All other sources are the same. They're all routing through the same places. The only variable is that this is a scaling receiver, and it's not working. So what can we do? Thanks. Bye.